In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads, just by using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links you should start promoting on Pinterest, how we can use and how we can choose good products or services that you should start promoting on Pinterest that people will be interested to buy from you, and so much more. And just last month, I made $17,125 in commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic, and this is my invoice and it's paid, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is the proof, and this is my affiliate account dashboard over here. I made this commission just in one single month, in the last month, in the month of November, from the first day until the day 30. This is my commissions, $17,125, my clicks, my CTR, and so on. So in today's video, I will share with you guys step by step how we can do the same and how we can start a profitable Pinterest affiliate marketing business as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who want to start with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, like this, search for this website. Okay, and just click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. So just keep scrolling down, and you should see here, let me show you, you should see company. Okay, so just click over here on affiliates. Okay, company, and go to affiliate, click on affiliate like this. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are paying good commissions. And if, for example, if a person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. If this person will keep buying another services, you will keep making commissions from every transaction this person will make for the next 12 months, which makes this business really profitable. So just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next. You will answer just next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. This will be your Fiverr affiliates accounts dashboard. You should see your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, and people who used your affiliate links to sign up to Fiverr, people who used your affiliate links to buy services from you. Anyway, what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest, and you cannot promote any services that you like or that you think is gonna work. This is what you need to do. You need to go back. So first, you need to create a business account on Pinterest. Okay, if you don't have Pinterest account, go back to Google. Just go to Google, let me show you, and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and they will ask you, do you want to open a business account or personal account? Choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, if we click here, you should know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps that I'm sharing with you. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. Okay, so like I said, this will be your homepage on Pinterest. After you finish your sign up process, go back. So go back to Google, search for Pinterest trend, search for this website, click on the first link. We need to see what's trending on Pinterest. Then we can start and choose services related to those trends. Okay, so go and open this account, Pinterest trend. Scroll down, you can see here origin. You guys can choose United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so much more. I'm gonna just leave it in United States. Scroll down, you should see here top trends in United States this month. This is what's trending in United States this month. Okay, we have this product. We have this one, Christmas nails, this one for women, and we have this one, earphone shelf ideas. We have Christmas wallpaper. We have lyrics. If we click here, we can see more trends. Okay, winter outfit, Christmas decor ideas, Thanksgiving. If we scroll down, you should see a lot of products that are trending on Pinterest in this month in United States. So let's choose one or a good one. So let me see. Christmas fashion. We have also this one. I'm gonna click on this one. Let's check this one, guys. Fashion. I will click on this trend. I will scroll down and click here. Go to date and click over here and choose past 3 months. Okay. And here you go. You guys can see this keyword about fashion is trending in this month in United States. It's still trending. You guys can see. You can see in December 9, it's still trending. It's going up. Okay. So what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr and I will search for services related to this. So what's trending to fashion, okay? Here you go. You should find a lot of services about fashion, okay? I'm gonna search for, I will search just for this to see, okay? Scroll down and here you go. You should find a lot of services related to what's trending on Pinterest. You guys can see we find this services related to fashion. Okay, I will design modern clothing and fashion Shopify store or website. This one is good. This one also is really good. I will shoot fashion products photography in studio model. This one is really also good one. Flat, this one also is good one. You guys can see this one here, top rated seller. I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. 9 orders in queue, 9 orders in queue. So you see guys, this is what I'm talking about. It's working. Okay, people already paying money for this service. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. So it's working. Okay, this is the proof. Anyway, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here and you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest, open your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. Go back to this seller profile page about this service related to fashion. Scroll down, this seller has a video. This is really good. Double click on the video, click on save video. Save this video to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it fashion and here you go. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload the video. Videos always convert better than pictures. Okay, so if you find sellers who are using videos, that will be good. So this is my video. I will click on open. So just click on open and your video will be uploaded to Pinterest like this. So what you need to do, you need title and description. So go back to this seller profile page. Copy his title. And here is what you will do. You will use AI to get a good SEO title, optimized title for your pins and optimized description for your pins so you can rank and start getting clicks, and people can see your pins on Pinterest. Okay, use ChatGPT, it's for free. Go to Google and search for ChatGPT. This will be your homepage. Sign up, ask ChatGPT, turn this title, turn this title, okay, turn this title into Pinterest pin, and use good SEO to rank on Pinterest. Okay, and put this title. Just click here, and here you go. ChatGPT also created description, which is that's really amazing. So here is my title. You guys can see my title. Okay, I will copy this title. Okay, copy this title. Go back to Pinterest. Put this title here. Description. Go back to ChatGPT. You have already good description with keyword also here. You can see. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. You should start using AI if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business. With AI, for me, ChatGPT is very helpful for me. Okay, put your description here. Scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. Go back to this Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business, like I said, for 5 years. I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and just go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one for Pinterest. Scroll down. You need to put here tags or keywords. So you have two options. You can go to ChatGPT and ask him, give me good pins tags for this topic. So ChatGPT will give you the tags that you guys can use for your Pinterest pins. You can see all tags related to fashion that people are using. Okay, you can copy those tags like this. Okay, and go back to Pinterest and put those tags here. Okay, so or you also can go back to go back to fashion, to Pinterest trend account. You have here fashion. You can scroll down. You should see here related trends, and those are add related keywords to grab the compare trends. Those are the keywords that you guys also can use. Okay, and that's it. Okay, go back to Pinterest, put all those tags here. After you finish, just click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. And here you go. You guys can see. You see, we have a video. She's really good. The video of the seller is explaining his service about fashion. We have our affiliate link here, and that's it. That's how we can promote your affiliate links. You guys can see we have visit site and we have description. Okay, more. You can see our description here with hashtags and tags and more. So this is good method that you guys can use to start promoting your affiliate links and start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. This is exactly what you should do if you want to earn commissions. Of course, this business takes time. The business model is clear, okay? If you can't make commissions, the problem is you. If you will quit, you will start this business for 1 week, 2 weeks, then you will quit. Just and you think after 1 week or 2 weeks you will start seeing results? Of course not. Maybe you will get lucky, maybe you will get a few commissions, but it takes time. In general, it takes time. Any online business, either it's drop shipping, freelancing, YouTube, or any online business, they takes time. Okay, you need to go step by step. Okay, you need to focus on clicks, you need to focus on your content, focus on your methods. Okay, after you improve your methods, your strategies, you're creating your content. After you improve creating content about to promote that you are using to promote your affiliate links, then you will start and you should see a result. Okay, but first you are in the first step, which is you are learning. Okay, you need to learn. Okay, and how you can learn, it's by taking actions. You need to take actions, and that's how you will learn more about this business. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, people who want to take this business seriously, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. See you in my next videos.